Hey guys, what's up? Blair on here with the TAT2 Airsoft team, and today we have an unboxing video from Airsoft GI. It's not too big, but it's got a couple things that'll be worth your while in it. So just decided to do an unboxing video. Sorry for not making a video in a while. Been really busy, but here we go. Okay guys, so here we go with the start of the unboxing video. I'll just open this up right quick. So, first off, I've got my OE-Tech Condor, whatever you want to call it, plate carrier in black. Since I did switch camos, or did switch teams actually. So there's that. Then I got a Condor hydration carrier, obviously for my back. Then I got the Pantac admin pouch. Pretty cool. Then we got this is the mag pack. 8 130 round mid-cap mags. Let's see what else we got. Got some BBs. The Airsoft 102, okay. Airsoft 101. A couple little brochures, AEG battery basics, good BBs, and a patch. So yeah, this is just my order form. So anyways, thank you guys all for watching. Just a quick little unboxing for you guys, but hope you guys enjoy some videos in the future. Peace.